Now, let me go to the polarization of conductors and dielectric now. So, I have considered this positive plate and negative plate in which the electric field is going from positive plate to negative plate. Okay, so this is my uniform electric field. Now, let me put the conductor into this field. Okay, so first of all, I will place a conductor here like this. So this is my conductor, right? So there is a conductor in between in the electric field, okay, in the uniform electric field like this. So this is my conductor. Please remember, conductor. Now what happens is there are so many charges, okay, inside the conductor. What are there? There are free charges, okay. Whenever there are free charges, what will happen? That there will be a positive charges, negative charges. So all the charges, okay, all the negative and positive charges are there. So all the positive charges will sit here, okay, because positive charges go in the direction of electric field, isn't it? You know that the positive charges go in the direction of electric field. So electric field is going in this direction. So there will be all positive charges, one at this A at this end, and all the negative charges will be in this direction, in this edges. So what happens is now there will be a electric field inside the conductor from in this direction, right? So this is the electric field due to conductor inside the conductor. Why? Because electric field moves from positive to negative, isn't it? From all the, because all the positive charges is settled at one side and negative charges is settled at this side. Why positive charge settled at this side? Because the positive charges experience a force in direction of electric field. Okay, so electric field is in this direction, so positive charge is all here sitting. Then why these are separated completely? Because in conductor we have free charges. So this is conductor. So they are fully polarized, and then because of polarization there is a internal what? Internal electric field, that is electric field inside the conductor from this region to this region. And what we have? We have got again electric field. This is external electric field, isn't it? This is EXT. This is EXT, external electric field. Now if you see this length and this length are equal and opposite. One electric field is going in that direction and another electric field is coming in this direction. This electric field is because of this polarization in the conductor, and this is the external electric field from this plate to this plate, right? So how much will be the net? E net will be equal to 0. Please remember, this is very important point. Now whenever you put a conductor in electric field, the net electric field inside the conductor is 0. Okay, now from this there will be a question. If you have a, say, a material, okay, this is my material and these are my electric field. One, okay, electric field, another electric field, okay, this is also electric field, one more electric field, and there will be one electric field like this. So this is all my electric field. So this is my A, B, C, D, and this is not material, say metal. What is metal? Metal is a conductor. Now which one of the electric field is correct? If somebody asks you, if you see in A, electric field is passing, in B also it is passing with zigzag, in C also it is also passing with one curve, but in D it is not passing. Here it is going inside and there is no electric field and it is coming outside. It means that this is the metal which is conductor, and the correct answer is D. Why D? Because from this we know that whenever you put a metal or a conductor in an external electric field, inside there will be no electric field, as if in this case. Okay, there is no electric field. The correct answer is D. This question was asked. Now let me go to the dielectrics. Okay, so for dielectric also I will put dielectric here. Say this. Now in dielectric, what happens is the negative will come here and positive will go there. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive, so that they will, what do? They will get polarized like this. Okay, so they will get polarized like this. In dielectric, the charges are not free, but they get polarized. Now if you see here, all the charges is sitting at the edge, एक साइड पर है EDGE, इसमें भी वही है, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है? Charges are not sitting at the edges. So now what happens is, there is electric field. Okay, there is electric field in this direction. This is E net, E external. This is E external going in this direction, and because of this there will be internal. Okay, this is also electric due to in dielectric. Okay, electric field in dielectric. But if you see, this is long and this is short. So one is going in this direction, another is going in this direction, but they are unequal. So E net inside is not equal to 0. So inside the dielectric there will be some electric field. The electric field will be there, because why? Because these are not completely polarized. So the charges are partially polarized. Okay, but here the charges is completely polarized. Okay, so that is the difference between dielectric and conductors. Now in conductor there is no net electric field inside. Okay, it was also proved in the first chapter. Okay, using a Gauss theorem. Okay, inside the metal there is no electric field, but in dielectric there will be a net electric field because of the polarization. Now what is dielectric? So dielectric is something, whenever you put in this electric field, the charges will get partially polarized, and the net electric field inside the dielectric is non-zero. So this is my dielectric. You can write dielectric. So this is all about polarization and polarization of conductor and dielectric. So these questions are very important, this topic, because this diagram are often asked. Okay, so you should always remember, conductor free charges, they get completely polarized. Okay, all the charges will sit at the edge. There are no free charges, so they will get partially polarized, and there will be net electric field inside. Okay, net electric field is not 0, whereas in metal there are 0. Thank you.